What's up guys, welcome back to another AMC video. Today we're gonna cover more of a technical side to see how we reacted today to this breakout that we had. Will we still keep going up, or will we go breaking down back to lower levels? All of this and more after the intro. Alright guys, so I'm gonna do a fast video today. I don't wanna kill you with a 10-20 minutes video. So let's go over into the charts right away. So we had a green day today. We went up today 2%, 2.022 to be exact, but that's a green day. This is us on the daily for my chart. If it looks too complicated to you, you can look at it like this. This is where we're at, okay? Right under the monthly level, the red dotted line right here, and under this monthly level as well, a little bit over the weekly level right here, still making higher highs and higher lows. Basically, we are in a little bit of an uptrend here. It's between consolidation to uptrend, but more to the little bit of an uptrend, okay? So let's look at it closely, because what we had here, and that's what I talked about in the last few videos, okay, is that we are getting on top of this trend line that was with us since we came to our all-time highs back in 2021, okay? Back in June 2nd, 2021, we broke this line only once and we got rejected very strong from it, and now we are trying again, okay? So it's very crucial times for AMC, and that's why I'm gonna do a video every single day right now. And if you want to stay connected and to know exactly what's gonna happen every single day on AMC, you can subscribe right there right now. Every day I'm gonna post a video so you know exactly what's gonna happen. You can even put this little bell button so it will notify you right away when I release a video. Usually I release it every evening around this time, around LA time, around say 6 to 7. I'm gonna release a video, okay? So let's see right now where we at. We said in the past few videos that we need to hold this line. We need to use it as support, okay? I said if we break this line down, okay, and if we go underneath and we don't come back, so I expect us to see way more downside, okay? And I said it can happen even to go down all the way here. You can see it from the last video. It didn't go all the way down here. It went down only up to here, which is bullish. I'm getting actually more bullish every single day looking at AMC right now. And instead of going under, which this was the bearish case we talked about, we went under, but that's a bullish case because we went under. First of all, we got a bounce here. Then we drop again. We climb up right away. And what's more nice to see that after we went up, look at how many touch points we get. And every time we get a bounce, see, one bounce, two bounce. Here we got under, but right away we climb up from that level, meaning we are comfortable above this trend line, okay? Another bounce and another bounce, okay? So we are really respecting this line. This is not a line that I drew today. It's a line that been drew in my charts for many months, maybe even already years, okay? So around the year, let's say, this line didn't move, and look how we're respecting this line, okay? So this is a very positive sign. What we need to see in the next few days to be more positive. First of all, before we continue with the charts, I want to look at the options chain, okay? So this is the options chain. You can see on the call side, okay, which this is what can push the stock up or down, okay? But on the call side, it looks pretty nice. Not amazing, but okay, better than before. So we have 9,000 here in the money right now, and another 12,000 and 5,000 and 4,000, okay? What we need if we really wanna get a push, a nice push for next week, the best scenario is if we get over 15, okay? Because we're gonna have 10,700 contracts expiring in the money on the 14, another 7,000 on the 1450, and another 16,000 on the 15. So this is where we want to get to, okay? We want to get to the $15, okay? For the next week, we don't really have a lot of contracts last time I checked. Let's take a look. For the next week, it looks pretty bad, okay? Nothing, it's pretty empty. So we will need to get a push from this week if we get more of a positive, let's say, sentiment into the stock, and we're gonna have a nice maybe 1 or 2 days right now leading into Friday. The sentiment will be more positive. I believe we will start getting more volume here and more open interest right here as well for the next week. Okay, so back to the charts, what I want to see. Okay, what I want to see right now, first of all, let's talk about the bad case. In the bad case, we can definitely see tomorrow a dip going again to touch this line of support. It wouldn't surprise me at all if we touch it again. We can even like travel on this for a little bit longer. You can never know how long it will be until you bounce up or down. So you can have another day or 2 or 3 around this area. This is a possibility number 1. Possibility number 2 is that this is on the bear case, okay, that we go down and we break this line down. And if we do that, and if you see a breakdown from this level of support, you're gonna have a very big rejection, and we're gonna get rejected hard. In a few days, I believe, maybe a week or 2, we're gonna get maybe to the $9, in my opinion. Don't hate me. I know I love AMC too. It's not nice to hear, but it can happen. This is the bearish case. After we heard all the bad news, this is time for the good news, okay? Because a lot of things they do look bullish, okay? The options looks okay. The charts looks nice that we can see this bounce right now. The RSI on the daily looks very nice. You can see here the last time, take a look at the RSI. In the last time that we had this run, okay, you can see in the beginning of the run, this is where we're at right now in the RSI, okay? So look at the line where I'm putting my mouse, okay? Look where we're at. This is where we're at on the RSI, and where we are on the chart, okay, is just right there, okay? So it's just the beginning of the run of last time, okay? Here, we have a lot more room to go, exactly like in the last time. But what is the difference? The difference is that back then, in March 21, 2022, we were in the bottom of this trend line, okay? We're in the bottom of it, okay? Right now, you can see here, this is basically the lower side of this. Right now, we have a lot of room to go, but we are on the top of this. And once we have this technical breakout, people will get very excited about this. So if you're going to have exactly the same move, let's say from this to here, but if you're going to have it now, we're going to get to $32, okay? But it's a very important technical breakout. With this breakout happening, doing 136% in 5 days, like happened last time, we may squeeze. You never know. It can happen. It is possible. And we can have a very strong sentiment to the stock. A lot of people will get in. We're going to have a lot of FOMO that will be building up. This is a case that can definitely happen, okay? It's not something crazy. It can happen. And of course, I hope it will. This is our beloved Amy. So we have a lot of room to go on the daily, on the RSI. Also, the 4 hours looks nice. We went down, okay, just a little bit on the chart. Enough on the RSI to relax and cool down. And this is the time that we can shoot up. We may have a little bit of a stop around the $16 area. We have the 200 MA here on the 4 hours. We have another resistance that we may have. It's a pretty strong resistance. But once AME is starting to shoot up, it's shooting up. It's a very strong stock. It's very hard to stop when you have momentum on this stock. Okay, so this is the bullish case. What you will want to see tomorrow in the bullish case, you will want to see AMC going above this monthly, maybe doing something like this, maybe going up, getting from this area a little bit of support, going up again, maybe getting a little bit of support here, and maybe continuing to travel around this area. That's gonna be very nice, consolidating a little bit, and from there I want to see us go in up. So this is all for today. Hope you enjoyed the video. I'll give you another chance to subscribe to us. There you go, TTT, subscribe, so you can see more content. I will be here again tomorrow. See you next time. Bye bye.